Welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. Valentine's is just around the corner, so what does that mean? That means we need to switch around our year-round holiday tree. So taking down the New Year's or New Year's Eve tree and putting up a Valentine's Day or Singles Awareness Day tree. We decided to split it down the middle since I live with a couple of other single ladies and just thought we'd have some fun. So let me show you the decorations. So starting off the Valentine side, I made a bunch of DIY roses. That's going to be a video coming out real soon, hopefully tomorrow. And I had a lot of fun learning and showing you how to make them. Next up on the Valentine's Day side is I made a little chocolate hanging thing. So just some dark brown felt that I cut out and then this light brown yarn for kind of a drizzle. Probably would have been best to use a different kind of craft glue. Pretty easy to burn yourself using hot glue with yarn like this, but that's what I did. If you want, you could also get an actual like Valentine's Day chocolate box. Eat the contents if you want, or save them for later and put that up there. So using a paper towel or toilet paper tube or gift wrap tube, just gonna cut little rings and then folding like this, pinching it in half and then pinching the heart shape. What I learned on this actually was that paper towel tubes and toilet paper tubes are very different from wrapping paper tubes, which is what this actually is. And wrapping paper tubes apparently separate pretty easy, and maybe it depends on the brand too, but that was kind of frustrating, so I had to kind of clean them up. But either way, make little hearts. You can spray paint them, or I just did acrylic craft paint. And you could use a string and thread and some beads and actually make a garland of it if you wanted. I took one for the team and had some delicious ice cream. I mean, not all in one sitting, but cleaned out the containers, let them dry. And then this one, beefing it up a little bit, hot gluing it so it looks nice. It's a little display. And of course, you need to add a spoon. So there you go, finished product there. So I should say the black hearts, the ice cream, those are for the Singles Awareness Day side, as well as these black ribbons, which I actually used on the New Year's Eve tree and just transferred over to this. So obviously you've got your like candy and hearts and a happy side, and then like the sad and ice cream side. Also used a box of tissues and some crumpled up tissues for contrast. So here's just some pictures of stuff. And we put chick flick DVDs on the tree, scattered around on the Singles Awareness Day side. And here's the Valentine's Day side. Some stuff that I had already gotten like at the store years ago, just that I keep in my year-round storage, or you could pick up at the Dollar Tree and stuff. We put little red baubles on the Valentine's Day side and a few silver on the Singles Awareness Day side. So I'm curious what you guys think of it. I also had one of the little butterflies. I love those that I got after Christmas on clearance. But I appreciate you watching. We're going to next be doing St. Patrick's Day. Hoping to get that video up sooner than later. And hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day or Singles Awareness Day or Friday, whatever day you want to think of it as. So thanks for joining me. Subscribe. We'll see you later.